Alrighty, hello. So, this is the rainforest page that I have created. So if we click on this hyperlink, it should take us to the Smithsonian's website. And here we can see many different animals that can be found in the rainforest. So you can scroll through some of the many different animals. I'm going to click on the southern two-toed sloth. This is a great resource that you can use to look at different facts about the animals. Right? You can see their conservation status to the side. There's also information about the physical description, the size, their native habitat, how they communicate, their food and eating habits, their social structure, reproduction and development, sleeping habits, lifespan, all kinds of information. And you can click around. So if we go into the Andean bear, we can see that they also, again, physical description, size, native habitat, food and eating habits, all of those different categories of information that we saw with the two-toed sloth. So that is one of the resources that you can find in my webpage, again linked here under the Smithsonian National Zoo.